In this video we'll explore the Match Properties command in AutoCAD. Match Properties allows you to copy the properties like layer, color, and line type from one object to another. It is located in the Home tab under the Properties panel. To activate this command, click here. Or you can enter the command, MA. Select the source object from which you want to copy the properties. Then select the destination objects that you want to match the properties to. Press Enter. Press Enter again to reactivate the command. Select Source Object. Select Destination Objects. Press Enter. And there you have it. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.